Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send file in Gmail laptop, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to send file in Gmail laptop. When you are in Gmail in your account, just click compose and then just write the email you want to send to. Okay, for example, this email and subject, okay, just hello. And after that, here just you can type your email and then you see this icon, attach files. Just click on it. And then here just find the file you want to send. Okay, for example, this one here, just double click. And after that, click send. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to send file in Gmail laptop. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.